36 dispatch. Depot 36, start.
I'm Saratoga Police Chief Rex Trochet. Today we are sharing a significant update regarding the crash Monday night. The collision occurred around 6:30 in the evening at the intersection of 23rd Street and Maple Avenue. The officer was leaving the scene of a separate call for service when the child entered the intersection in front of the officer's vehicle. The child is still hospitalized at this time, and we cannot imagine how difficult this is for his family. Our thoughts and prayers are with you. We are partnering with the Florida Highway Patrol to conduct a thorough investigation. As a transparent agency, we are releasing 2 videos today, despite this crash still being under active investigation. One of the videos is the officer's body camera video. We want to warn you that the video is difficult to hear and watch. Viewer discretion is advised. The other video is from a different officer's in-car camera. If you look to the right of the screen, you will see the child on the dirt bike just moments before the crash. Again, we want to warn you that this video may be difficult for you to watch.
Depot 36 dispatch. Depot 36, start me EMS. Depot 36. It's okay, it's okay.
Ever. For the rescue,
.36 dispatch, I'm going back to my signal 8.
Ever.
Depot 36 dispatch. Depot 36, start me EMS. Depot 36. It's okay, it's okay. Sir, we got EMS coming. Sir, we got EMS coming. Depot 36, start me rescue. It's okay, baby. I got you. I got you. I got you. You just said fucking 36 dispatch. I need EMS. We got EMS coming. We got EMS coming. Stop sign. I was going back to the signal 36 dispatch from the EMS walk away. We gotta put him in the car. We gotta put him in the car. Maple and 23rd, Maple and 23rd.
Get on the radio, get rescue here now.
He's on the way, it's
Hey baby, you okay?
41 units, I need someone to get the 23rd Maple.
Go for a pulse. He's got a pulse. No. Dave, you gotta start CPR. Does anybody have an AED? Does anybody
Cover, they've already dispatched units out.
Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on! Get him in the back! Get him in the back! We gotta go!
Dispatch 2 call 21074. Dispatch 2 call 36, start me unit. 36. 2 call 36, all units 10-3 on channel for 2 call.